You won't find complicated grammar explanation on this channel. Prepositional case is the easiest one. If you study at university or language school, prepositional case would be the first one that they'll teach you. To use correctly any case, you need to know just two things. The first one is the endings, and the second one is the reasoning of using this case in this particular situation. Prepositional case. Here you can see the endings. You can take a picture, write them down, or memorize because we are going to need them later on in this video. And the second thing is the reasoning. In this video, we'll look at the main common reason of using prepositional case. We use prepositional case, so we use the endings I showed you after the prepositions v and na, which means in and on. A few examples. В театре, в магазине, на пляже, на столе. One important thing, if you want to say to the cinema, to the beach, this is not a prepositional case. Prepositional case we use only when we answer the question where. Where, on the table, on the beach, at the cinema, and so on. Now that we know two main components, the endings and the reasoning, the third thing is just to practice it, to get it to the automatic level. And no matter how many videos you watch, how many books you read, the only thing that matters is practice. So now you can grab a pen and paper and we'll do practice together. We'll have 3 tasks in this video. The first one, you have to translate the sentences. You can try, pause the video, do it yourself, and we are going to check it together in 3, 2, 1. Где Анжелика? Она в университете. Где ты был вчера? Я был на работе весь день. Где мои очки? Я видела их на полке. Где мой паспорт? Посмотри на столе. В Таиланде всегда хорошая погода. На пляже сегодня нельзя купаться. Очень большие волны. Обычно мы ужинаем на кухне, но сегодня мы кушали в ресторане. На стадионе сегодня играет Арсенал и Ливерпуль. So you can see just to every location we have to add «е». And that's why this case is easy, because the same ending all over again. The second exercise, you have to use prepositional case correctly. And we are going to check this task together in 3, 2, 1. Мой друг живет в Москве. So we change «а» for «е». Этот инженер работает на заводе. Мои родители живут в деревне. Again, we change «я» for «е». Эта девушка работает в библиотеке. Эти студенты недавно были в музее. Он купил газеты в киоске. Утром я завтракал в буфете. Его учебники стоят на полке. Он учится в университете. В воскресенье мы были на стадионе. And the last exercise is about countries. A lot of countries in Russian end on «ия». For example, Россия. To change this ending, we change it for «и». В России in prepositional case. You see the list of countries and you need to make a sentence. I live in particular country. Я живу в, and then you have to use prepositional case. Let's check it together in 3, 2, 1. Я живу в Иордании. This is Jordan. Иордании. Я живу в Кении. Я живу в Индии. Я живу в Китае. This is just general «е», because this is a regular ending. Китай, Китае. Я живу в Ливане. Я живу в Мексике. Я живу во Вьетнаме. Я живу в Панаме. Я живу в Корее. Я живу в Японии. Because ия change on и. Я живу в Канаде. Я живу во Франции. Я живу в Италии. Я живу в России. What is your country? Where do you live? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about the community that's watching my YouTube. You can write the sentence in Russian. It will be really great for me to see and to see that you learned something today. Today we practice prepositional case, but there are 5 different cases in Russian. Which one are you struggling with the most? Let me know in the comments so I can make better videos for you about that particular case. To support my channel, you can go to the website Coffee Me, and this way I'll be able to improve on my equipment a bit. And see you in the next videos. Пока-пока!